Hey there, future e-commerce titans. Are you tired of losing money on shipping? Or even worse, scaring customers away with those crazy one-size-fits-all flat rates? I feel you. Been there. Done that. Well, get ready to level up your shipping game because in this course, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of WooCommerce table rate shipping. Think of it as your secret weapon to finally take control of those pesky shipping costs. My name is Jeff, and this is Sleekr Digital. So what is table rate shipping? In a nutshell, it lets you create customized shipping rules based on, well, pretty much anything you can imagine. Destination, weight, how many items are in the cart. It's all fair game. We'll cover how to offer different rates per zone. Finally, charge what it really costs. Harness the power of shipping classes for your specific products. Merge shipping for awesome bundles. We'll go through step-by-step guides and practical examples so you can set up everything yourself with confidence. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped with the skills to create a rock-solid shipping strategy that saves you money, keeps your customers happy, and maybe, just maybe, lets you finally afford that fancy coffee machine you've been eyeing. Let's get started. Click that button, and I will see you in the first lesson.